11 Best Samsung Galaxy S24 Tips and Tricks Part 1. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra packs not only cutting-edge hardware, but also a suite of intelligent software features. To fully leverage this powerhouse, here are the top tips and tricks. Unlock real-time language translation during calls with Live Translate, enabling seamless conversations across different languages. Navigate foreign interactions effortlessly with interpreter mode, which translates and transcribes conversations without needing an internet connection. Summarize lengthy notes efficiently using AI in the Samsung Notes app, saving valuable time. Transcribe voice recordings into text with ease, perfect for lectures, interviews, or brainstorming sessions. Quickly summarize web pages via the Samsung Internet Browser, enhancing your browsing efficiency. Remove unwanted objects or adjust photos with Generative Edit, showcasing the power of AI in photo editing. Harness the S Pen Air actions for a touchless navigation experience, exclusive to the S24 Ultra. Identify objects or translate text instantly with Circle to Search, a first-of-its-kind feature on the S24. Create dynamic, ambient wallpapers from personal photos that adjust to time and weather. Assign different audio outputs for individual apps, blending convenience with personalization. Automate tasks and adapt your phone's behavior to your lifestyle with modes and routines, from sleep to work modes. These features are just the beginning. Dive deeper, customize further, and explore all that your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has to offer, from color palettes to AI-assisted messaging. Embrace these tips and tricks to elevate your experience and make the most of your new device.